There you go. Blue glow. Now as we head towards the light, the front door of the garage, you won't be able to see it so well. Yeah, into this. Down a little bit. There we go. Now it's dark in here, see? Now you can see. Starting here. Underneath the wheel well. Not over the tire, but right around where the tire's at. All the way to the back there. S10. V8 swap, modifications for the drag streets. It's not, you know, truck ain't going to be that super duper track piece, but it'll be nice for the street drags when they're out there. Depending on how it rides, I may even try to go to one of those East Coast Power Tour or something like that. I don't know. I have no clue yet what I'm doing. Pretty cool. Those are the same lights I had underneath the lift. They didn't work out for me. There were two, when I put them on white, they still look blue to me. So I didn't like it. I took them off. The glue is that strong that it wanted to re-glue itself to the frame by the way I painted the hole underneath. The whole frame is painted black. And what I did was I sprayed that contact adhesive and used the same glue that it had on here, on its own. I mean, when that adhesive dries up, it ain't coming off. It's very hard to come off. I'm going to tear it off. So this is a temporary, this is actually this is a experiment of my own that I tried. Okay, those LED lights, well, let me not give it away yet. All right. Handyman Lou for Handyman's Garage with the V8 S10 swap out. We'll put this up tonight. Handyman Lou here. Yep. You're looking at it. My truck is themed. White and blue. Let me put it on the ground and let you see the glow on the ground.